Are you ready for coding?
Hi everyone, today we are at Tuzla Doğa College campus. Being a teacher and student in 21st century requires to use computers, technology and code efficiently. As Doğa College, we support the creative and innovative teaching model. So today, here we present our code activity to our students. Our activity triggers the productivity in technology. So today you can't believe I coded 30 lines of code by myself. So let's see what our students are doing. So hi.
Hi, teacher.
I have a question for you. How many codes have you coded today? How many lines of code have you coded?
I coded like 20 letters and 20 lines.
Uh-huh.
It's really amazing to creating my own
Isn't
game.
it? So, okay, thank you. So here we are, coding our own games and programs.
Hour of code.
Hour of code.
I can't believe I wrote 20 lines of code today. That was really unbelievable.